Do you have trees that are fallen, overgrown or need stump removal? Or feel that your garden just needs a little trim for some fresh new growth? Not sure where to start, what to do, or who to call? Afraid of paying high rates or waiting weeks to have your trees cut? Well, today's your lucky day. Absolutely Affordable Tree Services is a reliable, friendly and competitive tree cutting service in the Sydney metropolitan area. We'll come out and help you with exactly what you need and give you our very best recommendation on what's best for you. With our quality service and experience, we'll do the job the right way and leave your property clean and tidy. We are known to be Sydney's best priced tree lopping service. Call Absolutely Affordable Tree Services on the number on your screen now.